Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reduce lag on Dress to Impress. So you're going to want to make sure your quality is at the lowest settings. So select the settings bar and then select low. It's going to change the quality obviously, but it's obviously going to make it less laggy. You can also go to the Roblox settings here. Go to settings and under graphics quality, make sure it's under manual and make it again the lowest possible of that setting. Again, it's going to make it have like less quality. I'll show it to you in like one of the dresses, but it's just going to make it less laggy. So like this one, if I made it into another texture, you can't really see that much difference, but if you put it at like a high graphics quality, you'll be able to see the difference here in between the textures. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.